Hey, this is Ram, and I entered in Tata Motors today. The stock is quite volatile. Now it is in red anyway. So let us wait. So here the margin money I had used is around 1572 rupees. So let me open the chart. Yes, here you can see the candlestick. It's quite volatile actually. It's bullish from the opening. Even the major sector is not having a great moment. It's moving quite well. So let us wait for some time. So here somewhere around 1% I'm getting. So now I need to close my position. Yes. So around 143 is the profit. So let me discuss about my today's trading session. And, as usual, I had opened 3 charts here. One is Nifty 50, and another is Nifty Auto, and the third is Tata Motors. So I before entering in any stocks, I used to see 2 charts. One is the major index Nifty 50, and the other is the sector index. Whichever stock I used to enter, I used to see that particular stock index, Nifty index. So what happened today is that as you can see Nifty 50 nowadays it is opening in a gap up, and here also it had opened in a gap up, as you can see here. So this is the last candle of yesterday, and this is the open candle of today's chart, 5-minute chart. So in the opening, actually it was not showing any momentum. Basically, even if it opens and gap up also, it was not showing any great momentum. Even in auto sector also, it didn't form any gap up. Then also here you can see this is the first candle of today's open price. So it had not opened in gap up, and it didn't showed any momentum for first 30 minutes. As you can see, around up to 9:40 it was not showing any momentum. It was like a small range bound. You can, as I can say that for quite some time it is in a range bound. But then also I entered in this auto stock, Tata Motors, today. The reason being is that as you can see, this is the volume chart of the of this particular script for Tata Motors. So here the first candle, as you can see, this volume bar shows in green, but this is quite normal in size, as you can compare to the yesterday's candle as volume chart. But in the next candle, as you can see, this is almost like double the first candle. So which means that it is quite bullish, and so many traders are involved. So many traders are buying the this particular script. And as you can see here, this is a big candle formed after a small red candle. And again, I had waited till here. I entered in this candle only, particularly when it was breaking the second candle, and at least I was waiting for 2 to 3 minutes. Since sometime what happened is that suddenly after a big candle, suddenly we will see a big red candle, and it will start falling. So I don't want to have that, so I was waiting for 2 to 3 minutes to have a confirmation, so that at least it can sustain for some time here. And this volume bar for this candle, this is the particular volume bar. As you can see, this is also growing in a very good way. So this gives me a confirmation that so many buyers are entering in this particular stock. So I entered at 927, yes, at the price of 104.8 rupees, which means somewhere here I had entered. And then it was quite a very short trade, like I was waiting for only 5 to 7 minutes only, and I came out at 105.95. so this is the point where I came out from the position. As you can see, after that it did not got a great movement at all. It gone in a range bound, right, because already people got purchased and the price got stabilized, and so it gone in range bound. Even here in Nifty Auto, you can see there was some moment, but after that here we couldn't see any of the major movement. So in 7 minutes I came out from my position, and I got around 1% of profit. So calculating the actual profit, considering the margin, I'll tell you what is the quantity I purchased. 125 numbers is the bought quantity. The entry price is 104.8. Right. So the overall bought quantity is 13,100 rupees, and actually the margin money I had used is that 13,100 divided by 1572. So totally I got a margin benefit of 8.3 times for this stock. And actually let me calculate this actual profit. 104.8 is the entry price, and the exit price is 105.95 divided by 104.8 into 100. So actual profit is 1.1, almost 1.1, and the margin benefit I got is 8.3. Basically 9% is the profit. In the other terms, if I need to calculate it, the profit amount is 143, and the used margin is, the money I had used from my account is 1572 into 100. So which means 9.1 times is the actual profit in my today's trade. And the quantity or the money I am always using very small, because just to make these videos and to share my experience or knowledge only, I'm doing this kind of trades. That's all. So I hope this video would be useful for the viewers. Thanks for watching.